What is it you're looking for, if you don't mind me asking?
Nothing.
Nothing?
So who are you?
I'm a police officer.
Okay.
Okay, and who are you?
Member of the public. Would you mind identifying?
Yeah, that's my badge.
What's your name and
Okay, it's on there.
collar number?
It's on there.
Would you mind?
Yeah, I'll show it to you, but I don't want you recording it, that's all.
Okay.
I'll show it.
Can you just identify yourself?
Yeah. Okay, if I can just do that. There you go.
Okay, you don't need to do that. Don't stand so close.
Oh, no. Well, I just asked
So
you.
can you like say your name, where you're based?
No, it's okay. But it's all
What's your name?
No.
Okay. Well, there you go.
Could you identify yourself, please? You've obviously approached me. You're in plain clothes. I would expect you to identify.
I haven't got epaulets on, but yes. I'll show you.
Can you not just say it?
No,
Okay. Is there anything I can do for you?
No, we were asking you then.
Okay.
You just have a good day.
I will have a good day. Thanks.
All right then. Don't get too hot in your jumper though.
I won't. Thanks.
Take it easy.
The video opens with immediate tension. No context, no explanation, just police officers appearing out of nowhere. From the first exchange, something feels off. The officers approach casually, yet refuse to clearly identify themselves while standing uncomfortably close. The cameraman remains calm, measured, and assertive, immediately questioning who they are and why they've approached him. This isn't aggressive, it's controlled curiosity. Right away, the power dynamic is tested. The viewer is hooked because the situation is undefined. Is this a stop, a casual chat, or the beginning of something more serious?
You okay?
Your drone?
Sorry.
Is that your drone?
Who are you?
PC Pancard.
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah.
What are you doing? Just flying over the police station?
Yeah. So would you mind identifying yourself?
Yeah, PC6539 Pancania.
Alright. Anything I can help you with?
Yeah, I'm just going to find out.
Find out what?
So I just
Find out what?
who it belongs to.
It belongs to me.
Okay, what's your name, sir?
I'm not going to give my name.
You're not going to give me your name?
No, I don't need to.
Okay. Well, I've identified myself.
Okay, I don't need to. You're a police officer. You're required to.
Okay.
You need to let me know your body ward's on, yeah?
Yes, it is. My body.
You let me know, yeah?
Yeah. It's recording.
Good.
Audit truly begins. One officer finally identifies himself, while the cameraman refuses to give his own details, a deliberate and lawful choice. The discussion turns technical, body-worn cameras, identification requirements, and legal obligations. This is where the viewer realizes this isn't a random encounter. The cameraman knows the rules and the officers sense it. The atmosphere shifts from polite uncertainty to quiet resistance. Neither side is backing down, but both are still playing it cool. For now,
What are you trying to do?
You're not supposed to be flying a drone over the police station.
What are you trying to do?
Just trying to get a sergeant out of the other word. You're still hovering over the police
Yeah.
station, isn't it? You're not supposed to be hovering it, are you?
Why not?
You're not supposed to.
Okay.
Well, we've got to go to this TV now, but
Alright.
THB is still talking, so that's why it's all...
Yeah, no, I know you. Yeah.
What's THP?
Huh?
What's THP?
Just an officer.
Well, it's like a drone
Here's the turning
specialist.
point. The officers introduce the drone. Suddenly, the encounter gains weight. Claims are made you're not supposed to be flying over the police station. But notice what's missing. No clear law cited. No enforcement action taken. The officers speak with authority, yet their uncertainty leaks through. The cameraman doesn't argue emotionally. He listens, questions, and waits. Suspicion builds. Is this about safety
Well, it's
or
like a
control?
drone specialist. Alright, can I leave?
But where's your drone now?
Doesn't matter where it is.
Where is your drone?
Doesn't
You're
matter,
not
does
supposed to
it?
be flying it over the station.
No, I
are
can
you?
fly it.
Sorry?
I can fly it.
You're not supposed to.
I can do it. All good, yeah, I'm gonna leave now, yeah?
Where's your drone?
Doesn't matter where it is. It doesn't matter where it is.
What is your name though?
Doesn't matter what my name is. I'd prefer if you didn't try to interfere with me, like, I don't know who you're gonna bring out or like what's going on, but...
Just have a chat with you, that's all.
So I'm not detained or anything, I can leave, yeah?
You're not retaining mine, no.
Alright, good.
This is a critical moment. The cameraman calmly asks a question police dread when they lack grounds. Am I detained? The response is immediate, no. Just like that, the illusion of authority collapses. The repeated demands about the drone suddenly lose their force. The officer confirms the cameraman is free to go, exposing that this entire interaction has no legal teeth. For viewers, this is the first...
I'll pick it back up.
Right, mate.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
So who are you?
I'm a police officer, darling.
Okay.
Why are you
Could
flying
you
there?
identify yourself?
Yeah, of course.
Don't call me darling, I'm a member of the public.
Alright, no,
like,
that's...
it's not very professional,
there you
is
go.
it? Okay, you're a sergeant, are you?
infantry,
Let's
yeah.
keep a bit of distance.
Why are you flying the drone?
'Cause
What's the
it's-
purpose of it?
I'd like to do it.
Right, okay. I think, and
Is
we're
that,
just going
is
to...
that your personal phone, is it?
You checked your no-fly zone?
Yeah, I have, yeah. There's no need for all this, like... Checking no fly zone. Look. You're not going to be able to see that, are you? Is that your personal phone? Alright.
Alright.
Guys, I don't know if you can see, but there isn't a no supply zone, don't worry. Can I get your collar number, please? I'd like to make a subject access request for the photo that you've taken of me.
Subject?
Yeah. Is that a bit technical?
Yeah.
Can I not do that?
Yeah, you
Could you identify yourself then?
Yeah, yeah.
You should really let me know before taking a photo of me.
Why are you filming the police station?
It's just what, it's a nice day for it.
7666.
Okay.
Escalation through hierarchy. A sergeant arrives, and with her, a noticeable change in tone. The word darling slips out, instantly challenged by the cameraman as unprofessional. This is no longer about drones alone. It's about respect. A phone is checked, a photo is taken, and the cameraman immediately pushes back with a subject access request. The dynamic becomes personal. Authority tries to reassert itself, but instead, it's questioned even harder. Next.
And you're a detective, are you? Any reason you're taking a photo?
Yeah, put it on our briefing.
Okay. These muppets, man, walking around trying to incriminate me. Okay? Yeah, good. There's not really a lot that you can do, to be fair. So I don't know why you're standing around like.
Come back from inside.
Okay.
Thank you.
Like, you're deliberating. Like there's nothing that you can do.
I'll just stand up.
Yeah, just saying in general.
Gonna go back to your
She checked the no flies. And to be fair, I can't fly it over Slough, but I can fly it here.
Will you put it on YouTube then?
No. Will my photo go on YouTube?
What's the purpose of?
Because it's a nice day.
What should do then? Just go and fly it wherever.
Yeah.
What's the camera like on it?
It's good,
Stage,
but I don't.
the officers appear stuck. They linger. They ask about YouTube. They hover without direction. The cameraman calls it out directly. There's not really a lot you can do, and he's right. This section exposes a familiar pattern. When legal power runs out, presence takes over. Standing around becomes the tactic. For the viewer, the imbalance is obvious. The cameraman is in control, and the officers know it. Next.
Good, but I don't use the camera to record.
No, can I see? Because I've never been on it.
But there's no SD card in it.
No.
So
How high does it go?
I'm not sure. Yeah, that one's on. Yeah, don't worry. Yeah, how high, I don't even know how high it goes, but I think the limit is 150 meters or 400 feet. So
I was saying no, I'm just giving
thank you.
What do you do with it then? Just hover over,
Just do whatever I want to do.
wait for police to come out and talk to you?
I wouldn't expect to be interfered with.
No, alright,
Not breaking any laws. You don't really have any powers to stop me.
Chatting to you, I saw waiting.
Yeah.
You're outside. What other stations have you been to?
Hmm?
You've been to other police stations and filmed?
Are you standing so close?
Huh?
Are you standing so close?
Why are you standing there?
Can you stand back?
You can move back.
You just come up to my face. Can you stand back?
See what's going on.
No, you don't need to see anything. Can you
You
stand
can
back,
stand
please?
there, I can stand there.
Can you stand back, please?
What's the difference?
Because you just walked up to me trying to intimidate me.
I'm not timid, I'm having a look.
You don't need to see anything. Hey, let me know your body worn's on as well, yeah?
There you go, mate. It's nice of you there, isn't it? How much do these things cost?
Landing.
Where's he from?
Is that battery low, is it?
What do you want?
You're standing there, I'm standing there.
Okay.
Just having a chat, no? You can stand there.
Any reason for like coming standing like so close to my face?
Any reason you're standing there?
Because I can stand wherever I like in a public place.
I can stand where I like.
Yeah, but it's just not very like pleasant, is it? Just walking up to someone's face, like COVID and other such things.
If you're so worried, where's your mask?
I just don't expect people to walk up to my face, that's all.
Well, I don't expect people to come and start recording where I work.
It's gonna go back up. It's gonna have to go back up. See the way you try to come up to my face? Can't have that. You can't have that round there, boys. Don't play that. Is that even on? It's definitely going back up. I don't know what the fuck he thinks this is. It's going back up, you know. It's fine, yeah? Good.
The most intense section of the entire video. Officers stand extremely close, invading personal space. The cameraman repeatedly asks them to step back, calling out intimidation in real time. Voices rise. Frustration shows. Then comes the ultimate statement. The drone goes back up. It's symbolic, defiance without aggression. The cameraman asserts his rights physically and verbally. The officers, unable to lawfully intervene, are reduced to proximity and pressure, and even that fails.net.
Maximum flight altitude reached. Maximum flight altitude reached.
He's back.
So have a look at what's the picture
You
quality.
don't need to have a look at anything.
You can show me from here.
I don't need to show you anything.
Let's see what the picture quality is like.
Huh?
You're allowed to stand here and have a.
I'm not showing you anything, bro.
Huh?
I'm not showing you shit.
I just want to have a look.
Well, shut up, man.
How am I? Why are you telling me shut up?
Because you're just trying to come up to me, like interfere with me. I don't need to hear this from you. Like, just go away.
You want to come here do this?
Yeah, I can do it. You don't need to look at it.
I'm not telling you.
I don't want to show you. I don't want to show it to you.
You don't tell me what you do.
I don't want to know.
No.
Just move, man. Get out of here. You're pissing me off, man. Trying to come up to my face, do all these things. Like, you don't have any jurisdiction. You don't have any power here.
I'm just standing.
What's your name?
Like you.
What's your name?
What's your name?
I'm not required to give it, am I? You identify yourself.
7990.
What's your name? Sergeant Patel. Okay.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Go back to doing some work and stuff now, yeah?
This is my part of my work.
What, standing around harassing me?
Well, you got
Oh, just get out of here, man.
You got reps, you know?
You're a silly guy, man. Move, man.
You're not working in the day?
I'm not working, man.
Tuesday, 12 o'clock. Is it lunch break?
Lunch break, man. Yeah. Every day's lunch break.
Have a good day anyway, yeah?
Yeah, I will, man.
I'm sure I'll see you soon.
Yeah, I'm sure you will. Dismissed. Right, that's going to conclude that. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.
Ending is explosive but decisive. The cameraman no longer entertains discussion. His words are sharp, his boundaries clear. He accuses the officers of harassment, interference, and lacking jurisdiction, and nothing is offered in response. No arrest, no seizure, no action, the officers disengage. The cameraman dismisses them outright and concludes the video on his own terms. It's not just an ending, it's a statement.